Hi. So, if you are depressed, you probably have a lot of trouble remembering things or keeping a schedule, right? And I just want to say that's completely normal. It has been proven that your memory doesn't work properly when you are depressed. So, you don't have to feel guilty or frustrated with not doing certain things. It's just gonna pull you deeper into depression. So one tip I can give to you is don't don't try to keep track of everything, making you feel anxious and exhausted with your own expectations of yourself. It just creates more chances to ruin your mood for the entire day. Okay? What I recommend instead is use lists. So write everything that you want to do or want to stop doing. It works either ways. And don't be selective about it. Write even the trivial stuff. It's for yourself, so it doesn't matter. But by removing everything that your mind needs to keep track of, you are creating this excess energy in which your mind can use to heal itself. It can use that excess energy to correct behaviors that we don't want to keep happening. So an interesting case is this works very well for breakups. So when you break up, your body and mind experience the same symptoms as addiction behavior. So it craves that whole process of pain, even though it's not good for your own mind. So one method that works very well is writing lists with all the bad characteristics about the other person, right? And having at all times read yourself. So when that whole process of pain starts, you just need to look at the list and your brain will stop having that repetitive behavior, right? Allowing you to break free of that pain cycle. So instead of beating yourself up, write. I hope it helped. If you don't want to wait, I have a full guide in the link of my bio, okay? And if you think that mental health is important, subscribe, as I will be making more content around this.